So hello people, today we are going to review the Marshall Emberton III speaker. This is not just some random unboxing or first expressions. No, I've already unboxed it. I've been using this speaker for about a week now, so I know all the pros and cons of this speaker. So I'm going to share the pros and cons of the speaker so that you can decide if you want to purchase the speaker. It is very portable, it is very portable. And see I have a fairly big hand, so even if it is a tiny girl's hands, yes, it is easy to hold. And here are the button layouts at the top of the speaker. Even if you hold it like this, you won't press any button here, so no issues with that. So can you hold it here, but don't hold it in the lengthwise. No, you're going to end up hurting your hand, so hold it like this. It is fairly a good design. It is completely black and a golden color logo of Marshall, and there are other designs as well. I've gone with complete black and the gold logo design, and the button is gold. What does the box say? What does the box contain? The unboxing is very simple. There is the speaker inside the box and one USB-C to C cable and a bunch of documents, and that's it. So nothing fancy inside the box. The front of the box says it is a 32 plus hour portable playtime, and in Indian rupees it costs 18,000 rupees, 17,999. Okay, so it is 18,000 rupees. It is not a cheap speaker, and the side of the box have some technical specifications, and the weight of the speaker is 670 grams. So if you're carrying, you'll definitely feel the weight, and you cannot put it in the pocket because the dress would fall down. So do not put it in the pocket, and you cannot carry it for a very long time. It's 670 grams. It is almost a kilogram of weight. So you cannot carry it for a very long time in your hands. You can place it, you can move it around. So that is what portability is all about. So we cannot carry it, and no one is going to carry a speaker and roam around the streets, right? You're not going to do that, right? If you're planning for that, please don't do. You'll create a very big nuisance because the sound is very good. I'll play it and show. And the back of the speaker, what does it say? Marshall signature sound, true stereophonic, 32 plus hours of portable playtime, dust and waterproof. All right, built-in microphone. Yes, it is fairly good. And the Bluetooth connects instantly. I have no issues connecting with the Bluetooth. So that's all about the box and the information that's been given in the box. Coming to the speaker itself, like I said, it is sort of a rubber, not sort of a rubber, it is a rubber surrounded speaker. It has mesh in the front and the back. I don't think the sound comes from the back, it only comes from the front. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong, but all right. This rubber coating catches dust very well. It is not something good just because it catches dust very well. It is not something good, but it does. Around my house there are so many constructions going on, so we are particularly in the midst of so much dust. So this rubber coating, it catches dust very easily, and every time I have to wipe it with water, which I haven't done yet, but it will only if we wipe it with water. So that is a major issue that I'm actually facing, because if you feel the texture is very sticky, the texture is very sticky, so it is 100% assured that it is going to catch the dust, and the dust is going to get retained for a very long time if you're not going to take special care for it. All right. So this is one drawback in this speaker that I'm seeing. And the mesh, obviously, yeah, this is nothing to say something special. The mesh catches the dust fairly much, so you have to have some dust cloth or some devices to clean all this. You have to clean this often, or this is going to look very bad in a very short time. All right, so this is one major issue that I'm facing, that you'll also face in a while. Now coming to the button layout, it has the power button and the Bluetooth button. So if you're having a mobile or a laptop computer, just press the Bluetooth button, the Emberton 3, the name will show up, and it will ask you to download their app, and you have to go into the app and choose from the list of products that they have listed, you have to choose the Emberton 3, and the Bluetooth connection will happen instantly with no issues. So there is this power button, there is this Bluetooth button, and what near is the microphone. It is fairly okay. You cannot expect some studio quality audio and all, so it is fairly okay. I'll show you that. And the center button has multiple functions. If you press it in the center, it is going to play or pause the video or audio, and the top function is for increasing the volume, the down is for decreasing the volume, and the side is to move to the previous album, or right side is to move to the next album. And this is the battery indicator. When you turn it on and off, guitar sound comes. It is very good. See, listen. Yeah, it's nice, right? So just hold down the button for few seconds, power button for few seconds, and it will turn off. So this is the battery indicator. It's good, and I've paired it with my iPhone. So shall we go into some non-copyright music? I'll show you how it functions. Non-copyrighted music. This is the mic, this is the distance, fairly 2 feet. Increases the volume. Decrease the volume. Pause. Pauses. Okay, if you press it in the center, it pauses. Press again, plays. Okay, the one caveat that I'm seeing is, to increase the volume in this button, you have to keep pressing the button over and over, again and again, not over and over, again and again, to increase the volume. Likewise, you have to keep pressing every single time to decrease the volume. You cannot press and hold so that the volume goes up, and hold it down so the volume comes down. No, that is not happening. To increase the volume, you have to press so many times to increase the desired volume, likewise to down the volume. So shall we check, does it switch easily to the next album? Next. It does. It does. No issues. Absolutely no issues. To the previous album? It does. No issues. Absolutely no issues. So everything like this has absolutely no issues. Right now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to turn off the speaker, because I'm going to send a voice note to myself through the phone. Then I'll connect the speaker, I'll send a voice note through the built-in microphone here. Then I'll play that voice note to you so that you can understand the quality of the mic. All right, so I'm going to turn it off right now. See the music when it turns off, the guitar music. Yeah, it's good. Okay, I'm going to a WhatsApp message. I'm going to send a voice note to myself. Hey man, how is the review going? I believe you can speak English with no issues, so I hope you will. Bye bye. Done. Sent. I'll play that voice to you later. Okay. Maybe I'll show right now. It's. Hey man, how's the review going? I believe you can speak English. Sorry, kept it in 1.5 speed. Hey man, how's the review going? I believe you can speak English with no issues. So I hope you will. Bye bye. All right. Now I'll connect the speaker. I'll turn on the speaker. See, let's be logical. Okay, got connected. just that instant it gets connected. Okay, it got connected. Let's be logical. You're not going to speak coming near to the speaker. That is not a speaker is for. At least you're going to sit a fairly distance. So from this distance I'm going to speak, I'm going to send a voice note, I'm going to show how it's sounding. Okay, so in WhatsApp, hey man, how are you doing? I hope you're doing the Marshall Emberton III review very well. I hope you find no issues in speaking English. So all the very best. Kudos, man. Okay. Now I'm going to turn off the speaker. I'm going to show you how it sounds from the mobile itself. I'm going to turn off the speaker. All right, now listen. Hey man, how are you doing? I hope you're doing the Marshall Emberton III review very well. I hope you find no issues in speaking English. So all the very best. Kudos, man. Yes, can you hear the difference? Now I'll turn on the speaker. Now from the speaker I'll play the voice note that I have sent directly from the phone first, and then I have sent I'll play the audio that I have sent through the built-in microphone. Okay, I'm turning on the speaker right now. All right, first I'm going to show you the voice note that I have sent through the mobile phone's microphone. All right, I'll make sure that the sound of the speaker is high enough so that you can hear. Hey man, how is the review going? I believe you can speak English with no issues, so I hope you will. Bye bye. Hey man. So the first one that I have played was the audio that I have sent through the mobile phone's microphone. Now I'm going to play the audio that I have sent through the speaker's microphone. Okay. Hey man, how are you doing? I hope you're doing the Marshall Emberton III review very well. I hope you find no issues in speaking English. So all the very best. Kudos, man. So what do you see? Do you see the difference that can you see the difference? Okay, so this is how it's going to sound if you're going to use the microphone. That is a background noise, and the bass, the pitch is very low. It feels as if you're speaking inside a room, but it is okay. It is fairly good. We cannot complain. Okay, so it is fairly good. It is nice to have an additional feature, because if you're even listening to a song and a call comes and you cannot take the phone, so you attend the call and you roam around the room just with the speaker. You can speak in an audible distance, in a reachable distance. Okay, you just don't go too far. So yeah, it works very well. And when I play the song, I take this speaker and I roam around the room. Say I'll be roaming around 10-20 feet around, and it still plays without any issues. Yes, so all in all, apart from the rubber thingy, which fairly catches the dust very easily, and the dust will stay on it for a very long time if you're not taking care of the speaker. Apart from that one caveat, rest everything is very good. You can 100% buy this speaker. It is very portable and it is weightless, just 670 grams. You can take and roam around. When I'm just roaming around for 20 feet with the speaker alone, having the mobile phone in some other room, the speaker still functions without any issues. So it is a very good speaker. You can 100% go buy this. So that's my verdict. I didn't check how fast the speaker charges to full. That's my only problem. I didn't check that. So if anyone had done that, do comment below. Yeah, so this is my review. Hope you find the review useful. So until we see in some other product next week, it's Nitin Dandapani signing off. Tata, bye.